Hey there, welcome back to Truly Cooking. Today we are making guacamole, but first let me show you how to catch wild avocados. Psst! If you happen to stumble upon a wild pack of avocados, observe them from a distance before trying to capture any of them. Okay, enough fooling around. We will start today's guacamole by baking some naans. What? We made some naans in our previous episode, go ahead and check it out, and thought it's a good idea to use those as chips. On a baking sheet, add the naans, some olive oil, salt and smoked paprika, and bake at 200 Celsius for like 5 minutes. Now let me show you the easiest way of taking the pit out of an avocado. Just start by slicing around the core, twist and pop the pit out using extreme caution. Ooh, whoops, oh god. Okay, let's try that one more time. As I was saying, slice around the pit of the avocado, then twist and pop out the pit. It's very simple, just be careful. Using a spoon, take the flesh out of the avocado and place in a bowl. Pro tip, to avoid the guac from oxidizing too quickly, freeze your bowl for 10 minutes before starting this operation. Guacamole comes from the Spanish word aguacate, which is avocado, and mole, which is a pounded sauce. Now gently mash and fold in some lime juice. The least air we allow in, the more vibrant green your guacamole will be. I like to add in some red onion because red onion is less acidic and more sweet than the white onion. I'll adjust the acidity of my guacamole with the lime juice. Now cut a piece of your onion and start julienning very thinly, but not all the way through. It's easier that way to turn the onion and start dicing. Go slow, nobody's rushing you because slow and steady wins the race. I also like to add in some smoked dried cayenne and some plum tomatoes for some extra color and some extra tang. Did you know that both the tomato and the avocado are actually fruits? There's something you needed to know. When it comes to sauces or dips, I like to grate my garlic using a microplane. This way the garlic is finely grated and almost disappears in the sauce or dip I'm making. The flavor is still there, piercing through. Just make sure you don't grate your fingers. Been there, done that, my friend. Now it's time to season our guacamole with some salt and some smoked paprika, of course. Give it a nice stir and get ready to chop some herbs. Grab some cilantro leaves and bunch them all together, holding them tight into your hands so it's easier to chop. Actually, we're not chopping, only using a technique called chiffonade, so the flavor doesn't go all on our cutting board. Add them to the guacamole. And now, ladies and gents, it's time to put everything together. If you're feeling generous and want to share this awesome guacamole, go ahead and transfer this pounded sauce that we actually didn't pound, oops, into a more fancier dish. Traditionally, the guacamole is served into a molcajete, which is a stone-made pestle and mortar. Cut the naans into rustic triangle-shaped thingies and place into the bowl. Add some olive oil and some cilantro leaves and go ahead and dig in. Be amazed how delicious it tastes and how easy it is to make. And it's kinda cheap because avocados are in season here. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.